English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 43.
Thank you for calling RD Systems.
Hello. I wonder if you could help me.
Customer service. How can I help you?
I'm calling about an order I placed last week.
Could I speak to Rob Martin, please?
Yes, of course. May I ask who's calling?
It's Jackie Willis from Samsite Brothers.
Thank you. I'll just put you through. I'm afraid my manager is away at the moment.
Could you ask her to call me back today, please? Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, please. Could you tell Mr. Knox that I'd like to order 5 white plastic chairs?
Could I speak to Ja Lee, please?
May I ask who's calling, please? Would you like to leave a message?
Can you say that I'll arrive late?
Thank you for calling TCE Consulting.
Could I speak to someone in sales?
I'm afraid my manager is out of the office.
Can I leave a message for her?
Could I talk to Myra Singh, please?
Certainly. I'll just put you through.
Customer Service Department, how can I help you?
I have a problem with an order.
Thank you for calling Ecotech.
Hello. I wonder if you could help me.
How can I help you? May I ask who's calling? I'll just put you through. I'm afraid he's away today. How can I help you?
Thank you for calling Ryder & Sons. How can I help you?
Hello. Could I speak to Ollie Ryder, please?
I'm afraid he's away today. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, please. We have a meeting arranged for next week. I wanted to talk about the time and venue.
Okay.
Could you tell him that I'll call back tomorrow to make arrangements?
Of course. Could I take your name, please?
Yes, it's Tom Phillips.
I'll make sure he gets the message. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, and thank you.
I've booked our team lunch at the nice little restaurant next to the office. There's a large red car in the CEO's parking space. The driver needs to move it.
Antique. New. Blue. Green. Wooden. Glass. useful, awful. Large, tiny.
I have an awful tiny old desk in my office. My boss has a friendly, large white cat. My computer is a huge old white desktop from 1995. We're marketing a clever, tiny new watch that helps keep you fit. Have you seen the amazing tiny black briefcase she has? The meeting room has a very large modern painting.
Hello, Coffee Pot Galore Customer Services. Julio Sanchez speaking. How can I help you?
Hello, can you put me through to your manager, please?
Oh, I'm sorry, but she's not at her desk at the moment. Maybe I can help you?
I ordered a new yellow coffee pot and it arrived today, but it's not yellow. It's purple. I didn't order a purple coffee pot. All of my cups are yellow.
Oh, okay. Let me see if I can help. Could I have your name, please?
Maria Garcia.
Thank you. Do you have an order number there, Mrs. Garcia?
Yes, it's TP12FS.
One moment, please, while I find your order. Ah, yes, I see the problem. TP12FS is the correct number for the purple teapot. The yellow one you want is TP12SF.
Well, I'm afraid I want a refund.
We can send you a yellow teapot, and the courier will pick up the purple one if you put it back in its packaging.
So I don't have to send it back myself.
No, not at all. We'll pick it up. The courier will be with you on Monday morning.
Oh, that's very good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can do for you today?
No, thank you.
Okay. Thank you, and have a nice rest of the day.
End of Lesson 43.